Welcome to Best Picks Lab. The Best COVID-19 rapid test is probably one of the most essential tools in our current health landscape, offering a quick and accessible way to check for the virus right in the comfort of your home, which is incredibly valuable for peace of mind and for taking timely action if you test positive, especially when you need results fast for travel, work, or simply to protect your loved ones. Number 5. CLINITEST Rapid COVID-19 Antigen Self-Test. Introducing the CLINITEST Rapid COVID-19 Antigen Self-Test. Get accurate results in just 15 minutes, right from the comfort of your home. This easy-to-use test kit allows you to simply swab and test. It's designed for individuals aged 2 years and older, with adult supervision for younger children. This product is FDA EUA authorized for over-the-counter use. It's a reliable option for your peace of mind. Our advanced antigen test is proven to detect all current COVID-19 variants of concern. You can trust its ability to identify the latest strains. Don't wait for important moments. Receive your results quickly, within 15 minutes, so you can plan accordingly. This pack contains 5 individual tests, providing a convenient supply for your household. It's an efficient way to stay prepared. What we like. This option provides a pack of 5 tests, ensuring you have enough for multiple uses or for the whole family. It's designed to detect all current COVID-19 variants, offering broad protection. If you're looking for a cost-effective solution for regular testing or for a household with multiple people, this is a great choice. What people say. The product was easy to use, and its accuracy proved consistent with other manufacturers' self-tests. I see one review that mentions that there wasn't enough solution left after placing the cotton swab into the tube to retrieve the 4 drops required to complete the test. There is not an abundance of solution to begin with, and the directions do tell you to squeeze the fluid back out of the swab before removing it completely. I found that the plastic tube can easily withstand a fair amount of pressure from the outside to extract the fluid. Don't hesitate to give the swab a hearty squeeze, you should be fine. I always had plenty of fluid to run the test with the full 4 drops and then some. If you have symptoms, this test works great even with very mild symptoms. This test is a bit more involved than other rapid tests I've used in that you have to let the swab sit in the reagent for a minute before doing the whole add drops to the test strip thing. But it seems to make it more accurate, reliable. Number 4. Genabio COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Self-Test Kit, 2-pack. Get reliable COVID-19 results in just 15 minutes, right at home. No appointment or lab visit is needed, making it ideal for quick screening. Collecting your sample is comfortable and easy with our soft, short nasal swab. It's designed for simple self-collection, perfect for ages 14 and up, or with adult assistance for ages 2 and up. Skip the clinics and long waits. You can perform this test at home whenever you need peace of mind. No prescription or lab drop-off is required. This test provides quick and dependable results for individuals aged 2 and older. It includes clear instructions for both self-testing and assisted testing. Everything you need is in the box for fast, confident results. Just open it up and follow the simple guide for easy testing. What we like. This test features a gentle, non-invasive nasal swab, making it more comfortable for everyone, especially children. The kit is complete and easy to use, providing results in just 15 minutes. If you or your family members are sensitive to nasal swabs or prefer a hassle-free testing experience at home, this is the one to consider. What people say. Easy to understand and easy to follow step-by-step testing process. The instructions are super clear, the nasal swab is short and comfortable, and you get results in about 15 minutes. It's a solid, no-fuss test that I trust and will keep using. Number 3. SpeedySwab COVID-19 and Flu A and B3 in 1 Antigen Rapid Combo Test. Introducing the SpeedySwab 3 in 1 Antigen Rapid Combo Test. Get fast and reliable results for COVID-19, Flu A, and Flu B right from your home. Use this test kit as soon as you experience cold or flu-like symptoms. It's also ideal after close contact or before visiting vulnerable individuals, attending school, work, or traveling. This over-the-counter test is suitable for adults and children aged 2 and up. It uses a gentle nasal swab to detect 3 different viruses from a single sample. This FDA-authorized test provides highly sensitive and specific results in approximately 15 minutes. Make informed decisions about seeking medical care, staying home, or sending children to school. It's perfect for identifying if symptoms like fever, cough, or body aches are due to COVID-19, influenza A, or influenza B. Skip the clinic waits and reduce exposure with this convenient 3-in-1 test. It's easy to store, pack, and use anywhere, and is HSA/FSA eligible. What we like? This is a unique 3-in-1 combo test that checks for COVID-19, flu A, and flu B simultaneously. Get results in just 15 minutes, helping you quickly understand your symptoms. If you're experiencing cold or flu-like symptoms and want to know if it's COVID-19 or influenza, this test provides comprehensive information in one go. What people say. Easy to use and read results. Accurate results within 15 minutes. Comes with all necessary components for testing. Number 2. SpeedySwab COVID-19 and Flu A and B 3-in-1 rapid test. Get rapid results for COVID-19, Flu A, and Flu B all from a single nasal swab. It's a convenient way to test for multiple respiratory illnesses at home. No more waiting for lab results. You can get accurate answers in just 15 minutes, right in the comfort of your own home. Use this test kit as soon as you experience cold or flu-like symptoms. It's also recommended after close contact or before visiting vulnerable individuals or attending events. This easy-to-use nasal swab test is suitable for adults and children aged 2 and older. It detects COVID-19, Flu A, and Flu B with just one sample. This FDA EUA authorized test has been clinically evaluated for reliability. You can trust its sensitive and specific results to guide your health decisions. Ideal for identifying if symptoms like fever, cough, or body aches are due to COVID-19, influenza A, or influenza B. Know what you're dealing with quickly. Skip the clinic and reduce exposure risks. This portable kit is easy to store, pack, and use anywhere, offering fast results conveniently at home. What we like? This option also offers a 3-in-1 combo test for COVID-19, Flu A, and Flu B, delivering results in 15 minutes. It's HSA and FSA eligible, making it a convenient and potentially more affordable option for managing your health expenses. If you're looking for a convenient way to test for multiple respiratory illnesses and want to utilize your health savings accounts, this is a smart pick. What people say. The test was very accurate and easy to use. The instructions explained everything clearly. Everything was in the box including the swabs. This is a very accurate test. It is great to have all 3-in-1, Flu A, B, and COVID. This way you know if you need medication or not. The test is very easy to use and will quickly tell you what virus you have. In my case, I knew I had influenza A within 45 seconds. Number 1. iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Introducing the iHealth COVID-19 Antigen Rapid Test. Get accurate results in just 15 minutes, right at home. Join millions of families who trust our product for their health needs. We've delivered over 1 billion tests nationwide. This test is FDA 510(k), cleared for convenient self-testing at home. No need to send samples to a lab. Stay informed about your health, even as the virus evolves. It's designed to detect multiple COVID-19 variants. Testing is simple and comfortable with a non-invasive nasal swab. Instructional videos are available if needed. This test is suitable for individuals aged 15 and older. Adult collection is required for children aged 2 to 14. What we like? This test comes from a highly trusted supplier with a proven track record, having delivered over 1 billion tests. It's designed to detect multiple COVID-19 variants and uses an easy, non-invasive nasal swab with minimal discomfort. If you prioritize reliability and ease of use from a brand that has been widely adopted and trusted, this is an excellent choice for peace of mind. What people say. The test is easy to use and provides accurate results within 15 minutes. The packaging is compact and convenient for travel. The test kit includes all necessary components for a quick and reliable test. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.